In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your invoice in QuickBooks. Whether you're a business owner wanting to give your invoices a more professional look or simply need to update your existing document, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Once you're logged into QuickBooks, you'll want to keep an eye out for the New button on your screen. It usually stands out within the dashboard interface, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Clicking on New is essentially where your journey to create or edit invoices begins. Once you've done so, you'll need to select the Invoice option from the drop-down menu that appears. This is because we're focusing specifically on editing and customizing your invoices today. When you click this, you should be taken to a fresh page that presents an invoice template for you to work with. Here, at the bottom of the invoice page, you'll notice the Customize option. Go ahead and click on that. The customization feature is incredibly useful for ensuring that your invoice template aligns with your specific business criteria. Up next, you'll need to click on Edit Current. This action opens up the customization settings for your chosen template design. This is where the magic really happens, as you have the ability to tailor the invoices exactly to your liking. Once you're on the customization screen, you'll want to find the option for Make Logo Edits. This section is tailored for adding or modifying the logo that will be displayed on your invoices. Placing a logo strategically is more than just an aesthetic touch. It reinforces your brand identity with every invoice you send out. This makes the step crucial for achieving a professional look. When you click through to the logo section, you'll have the opportunity to upload or browse your desired logo image. Make sure that your logo file is in an easily accessible location on your computer and is typically in PNG or JPEG format. It's also important to ensure that your file is of high quality and clarity so it presents well on your invoice. After uploading your logo, take a few moments to preview how it will appear on the document. Adjust the logo's positioning if necessary to ensure it's prominent but doesn't overshadow other essential details on the invoice. A balanced layout is essential for a clean, professional appearance. Finally, you'll want to save your changes. To do this, simply click on Done. This action ensures that your customization, including the logo, is securely saved within QuickBooks, and future invoices will automatically include these settings. There you have it. Adding a logo to your QuickBooks invoice is as straightforward as it gets. With these easy steps completed, all your future invoices will bear your brand's logo, enhancing the professional look of your documents. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. We started by signing into QuickBooks, navigated to the invoice section, customized it, and uploaded your logo. It's a quick process, but an impactful one for your business image. Thanks for following along with this guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy invoicing!